viewers, wishing you good health and prosperity, we start our video. ARIDS Institute of Fashion Design prays for your health and happiness in this pandemic situation. Once again, we are locked in our homes. Once again, a sudden pause in our daily life. But we have not stopped. In spite of staying at our homes, our students are always high in creativity and always has presented something unique to the world. So let's see their creativity. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for getting all the notifications on our new video upload. Please don't miss out to like our video and share it with your friends to encourage our students for their efforts. In the lockdown 2.0, our students were given a project to prepare a mood board or collage from waste fabrics. So let's see their efforts and appreciate them for their creativity.
I am Shanta Sen. I am a student of ARIDS Institute of Fashion Design. Today I am going to show my online collage project file on fabric. On the first page, I have created an Egyptian character in which I have used cotton fabric, some painted woolen fabric for garment and jewelry and threads too. On the next page, I made an owl in which I have used lot of cotton fabric, some woolen fabric, some rayon fabric for shading and sequins too. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi, myself Mansi, and I'm studying in ARIDS Institute of Fashion Design. During this pandemic situation, I'm making two type of fabric collage without waste my time. So I am doing my online work like this. Hi, I'm Antika Vera. I'm a AFD student. In this lockdown session, our sir give us a project, create a fabric collage with wastage fabric. So I create this. This theme all about ocean creature. I took turtle in my theme. We know that turtle are the symbol of longevity, gently and calm creature. We know that turtle are very quiet and gentle, so I also wanted to convey the calm thing in my collage, so that my vision is the art thing represented the same way, calmly and gently.
Hello, I am Mo Pramanik, and this pandemic situation when lockdown has been declared again and our college remain closed, online classes are going on. So I have utilized my time to prepare my project which has been given by our teacher. I have made a collage with waste fabric, and here are my work.
Here I am Popita. Today I am going to share my first online project. So my first project is a forest theme. going to attach the leaves on the branches. My next project is Sri Krishna theme. Well, here I have used the denim cloth and different colors. The different colors are here. I made the flower, the denim cloth, and the rose.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna present you a fabric collage which is made with the swatch of the fabric. The swatch we get after cutting a garment from a fabric. So there are two collages which are being given for my project from my institute, that is Institute of Fashion Designing. So I present you my first project, the fabric collage. Here in this first fabric collage, I have presented the undersea view. My theme is about sharing. Sharing is not just that we share our particular things or get borrowed from someone on food or something. We can also share our feelings to our friends or our family. So mostly when we go under very much depressed, we feel to share our feeling with our friends. So the depression is something which is been growth of lot of sadness or something been happen in our daily life. When you don't say it to someone, we get depressed in ourselves, so which we can defect our mind and also our self. So in this situation, if we share our friend our feeling, we can get a big relief. So in this we have been seeing the mermaid. Here the mermaid is being sad. How I have explained it, in the fairy tales we have mostly here the mermaid tears are being converted into the pearls. In the fairy tales I have here, I don't know whether it is real or not, but I have taken that as an advantage here. So here the many other animals which lives under the sea have been presented here. Here the mermaid is sharing her sadness. Sharing her sadness means I cannot give a tear here, so I have presented her tear in this pearls. She's sharing her feelings, her sadness which she's been facing to all other animals to get herself relief. So this is how I have been presented, that underwater view. I've used different swatches and the sequences for giving a bit detailing. My second collage is, by seeing this you can see it is Radha Krishna. So I have been presented this theme not totally in the way we see in the pictures. I have taken the Egyptian motif, but the pharaohs are being wear this kind of jewelries, and they are most of the paint or the art or the motifs they create in this kind of this. So I thought of bringing up our Indian god or our culture in this particular Egyptian motif.
Hello, my name is Rajashree Sharma, student at AIFT. My new project is fabric collage. This is my project work. My theme illustration is hummingbird, which I try to display on canvas. I have made it completely wastage fabric. Thank you.
I am Piali. This is my project work, Wastage Fabric Collage. My theme is design of Rajasthani men with turban in Indian art style. I'm using different type of color of cotton fabric. And my another theme is tortoise. I'm using multicolor cotton fabric and denim. Thank you.
We hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like our video, please press the like button and share it with all your friends. Trust us, that will put an extra smile to our students' face. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and press the bell notification to get all updates. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay well, and stay safe.